Hi, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Today I'm going to cook for you crispy eggplants in coconut sauce. This is a quick and easy recipe. You just got to get the sauce right. So the first thing that we do is toast the veggies that we have, and then we put them into a blender to make a nice smooth sauce. Wow, look at this. Doesn't this look nice and smooth? I made 4 slits into the eggplant and I've added a pinch of salt and turmeric to remove any insects if they might be present. Fry the eggplants for about 2 to 3 minutes till they turn nice and crispy. If you're still watching, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Once you add the sauce, just cook it on simmer because you don't want the surface to get burnt. Wow, this has come out delicious. If you loved the video, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.